Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and set up Outlook mail signature. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and search for Outlook. Once you've done that, simply click on the first link right over here and make sure that you're logged in. If you don't know how to log in or create an account, I've already made a video on that. So you can simply go ahead and watch those and get back to this one. Now all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on File, click on Settings, and you're going to be taken to this page right over here where you want to click on Mail. And now once you've clicked on Mail, as you can see, this is the page where your email signature should be. However, if you can't find it, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on here. Once you've done that, it's going to take you to this page right over here. And now as you can see, there's automatics, replies, signatures, categories, and many more that has been moved here. So signature is right over here. You can simply write your signature name, create it right over here, and it will come on every single mail that you send. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.